Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Missy, and this is the Eyes Have It on Crazy Crazy BoxyCharm Day. Excuse my appearance. I just came from in the pouring, blowing rain from Hurricane Jose, and so I didn't want to take my hat off. Okay. To the lucky pup. Get down. Park University. Yes. We got to open this part first. Yeah. Does it smell good? Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Pick 3 classes to write in your own extracurricular. Park University. So if we've got a college theme. All right, we're going to do it right now. Okay, opening the package. We've got a backpack. Give me a minute to show it, please. We've got a backpack with a sorority or fraternity thing on it. Hey! Wait a minute. I'm trying to look in it. It doesn't. It feels like it has something. Ow! Take it! Let's talk about snacks, shall we? Okay. The first one is you are going to tear my home apart and drive me crazy. Okay, these are cheesy dog snacks called Party Tricks 101. Cute. To learn a cheesy new party trick. All right. College is hard, burritos are not. Okay, let me see what these smell like. Not particularly pleasant, but they probably will be to her. Come here and get a treaty. All right. Come over. Come up here. What do you think? You like? Is that good? Yeah. Not like you chewed anything. All right. Next toy. Give me a minute, please. Give me a minute to show it. I don't know what this is. It's like a beer something. Beer pong. Papa Chewski. Everything on the table behind me is going crash, boom, bam. I don't want to think about what broke. Alright, so the next treat is Lamb to Treatify. They come up with such cute stuff. Lamb flavored dog snacks, crafted and baked in the US of A. Made with succulent lamb and hearty lentils. Okay. Wow. Did they even cut these? Yeah. Wow. Snacks are usually much easier to open than that. Just a minute, Missy. I'm trying, honey. Ooh. If only I had some scissors, which I don't. With me, I mean. Oh my God. I can't even get them open. Well, I'm going to have to taste those after. Alright, and these are, let me move your chair over. Lamb jerky treats. Real slow cooked lamb. Okay. Would you like to try one of these? I'm going to say maybe she's had these before. Can I get it open, please? Can I get it open, please? Can I get it open, please? She was a very, very bad girl. I had to go get gas because I'm going to Salisbury tomorrow. I had to go get gas, and I got out of the car to put some air in my tires. Give it a minute and chew that one first. All right, come on. All right, here. Chew it, chew it, chew it, chew it. All right, good job. Good job, she likes those. And they smell like beef jerky, except they got a little bit saltier, different smell. Okay, you want another piece? Okay. All right. Don't bite Mommy's hand. No. That's enough for right now. Okay? All right, come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, there goes the wind again. Come here, you. Don't break my shoulder again. Oh. All right. Tell everybody to take care. Ouch. Be well. And always be yourself. Bark Bus exhausts me. Thanks for tuning in. I know a lot of you say this is your favorite video every month, but it is not mine, especially when Sissy's not here to help. Okay, bye.